Hello folks, you might have realized that I'm actually not in the car today. Well, that's because I can't get in. Key fob ran out of battery, and today I'm about to show you guys how to replace the battery in an F30 key fob. So as you can see, I've got a case on mine. So first thing to do, we need to take this godforsaken case off. If you have a case similar, I wish you the best of luck. I finally made like a little crack here, so we're just gonna, you know what I mean. But it literally took me so long. I'm about to hit this button and remove the manual key. Even though this thing, you used to get into the car when the battery's out, your car starts beeping and the alarm goes off until you actually have the remote recognized by the car, which took me about 15 minutes in the middle of the night. We have the key removed, but we're not gonna toss it to the side because this is actually what we used to open the compartment. So there's a little loop here. The key is gonna go in the spot that's right next to it. And then when you're just gonna kind of use it to pry it off. Just give it a nice little, and it pops off just like that. There's the battery. It's a 2450. And I'm just gonna pop this out and replace it with a new one. You're just gonna kind of line it up the way it is, and just gonna pop that back in there. You should hear a click. You should hear a click. Perfect. And then key goes back in, and then we put on the godforsaken case. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. To go. There's a window right behind me, so I'm actually gonna try it out and see if it works. Like and sub if it taught you something. Stay alert for new videos that will be dropping, and they're gonna be fire.